Hey, you coming? Come on. Come on, Mr. Red Bellied Woodpecker. And I see a squirrel coming too. Here's another bird. I seen it. That's a male woodpecker right there. There was a female woodpecker over somewhere a while ago. Well, come on. Here, listen. Oh, there's another red-headed woodpecker right there. Two red-headed woodpeckers, male squirrels right there. Oh, two red-headed woodpeckers, male woodpeckers. One was bigger than the other one. Now they straight over my head where they're at. If they pooed on me, I'm gonna be mad. Got two males. Come on. You coming, squirrel? Come on. You coming? Come on. Get on the boat, rat. I called that squirrel rat. Come on. Come on, get on the boat over here. Come on. And don't eat all the good stuff. I left 2 or 3 big pieces for you. That squirrel looks good. That's a good looking squirrel there. That woodpecker raising cane above my head. Why don't you go up the tree? Now. That squirrel looks good, good to clean. The underbelly side is pure white. It looks good. Oh, squirrel right there, looks good squirrel right there. Don't eat all the little tiny pieces now, sit there like a frog. Oh, squirrel's like a frog. You need to be getting them big pieces to get back there on the fence so everybody else can have a snack. That woodpecker. Hey, get on the fence up there. I can't stand up any longer. I'm fixing to fall down. There's that red-headed woodpecker, the male. That's the one woodpecker is bigger than the other one. I think that's the biggest one right there. Little squirrel. Get them back up there on the fence. That male, he flew about 5 foot above my head, that one did. There goes the other male. Here, listen. That woodpecker pecking on that tin roof. Listen. I'm gonna stop this video. Stop.